What's the meaning of chess? Chess. Chess.
Chess. Chess. Chess is a board game that originated in ancient India, and is played by two players on a checkered game board with 64 squares arranged in an 8x8 grid. The objective of the game is to checkmate the opponent's king by placing it under threat of capture that cannot be avoided. The game is won by the player who first checkmates their opponent's king, or by forcing the opponent to resign. Chess requires strategic thinking and problem-solving skills, and has been enjoyed by players of all ages and skill levels for centuries.